Hey you all, it's such a beautiful day out here today. It was supposed to snow, but it's really nice outside. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here really quick. A lot of people that know me know that I've been rebranding and reworking my platform with CKY Entreps, so basically it's Central Kentucky entrepreneurs, and I just kind of wanted to let anybody and everybody in the area know, if you're in Hardin County, Louisville, Kentucky, anywhere in Kentucky, if you're working on your own business, starting out a business, maybe you have ideas of starting a business, you don't even know where to start, we want you all to come out to a free event. It's going to be actually a workshop with a lot of information. It's going to be hosted and held by Teresa Sivak. So she has her own business and company brand of marketing and building up businesses. So what she offers is really high quality, and she's going to be bringing this to our community for $200. For free, you all. It's yes, so we definitely hope to see you all there. Please subscribe to the YouTube CKY Entreps. Tune in with CKY Entreps, where we connect you with other Trep Savvy members.